Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy Thursday. Welcome back to our Circle Plus. It is 5:45 in the evening, and right now I am marinating some shrimp. I have some jasmine rice, I have some lime, I have some purple onion, I have some cilantro, I have some black beans. So, I'm going to tell you who has inspired me to make this dish. Actually, they both used a type of fish. Patrice Denise used tuna. I've yet to get that because my son has really bad allergies to fish. As a matter of fact, it can be deadly. So that's why I try not to bring it in the house, but I am going to bring some. I'm going to try it. And then, of course, Keisha, Mrs. Berger, I think she made her bowl with salmon. So I'm going to try shrimp. So I'm going to tell you what we use for the marinade. And then I have a little griddle that we've had forever that I'm going to go ahead and grill the shrimp on. The shrimp are pretty big too, guys. And then I'm going to make the pico. I'm thinking about putting the pico in the blender and just not have it chop it up so fine to where it looks like salsa, that the vegetables are still chunky. So anyway, we'll get to that, but let me show you what I got so far. You can tell this griddle has been used many times, but it still works, guys. So I'm getting ready to set it. This thing feels like it's hot. It feels like it's on already. And then, of course, this is the bowl of shrimp. And so let me show you what we marinated the shrimp with. So we have garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, Old Bay seasoning, and then I used a little bit of the sweet and tangy Budweiser flavoring. So yeah, and here's the rice. I'm gonna try the box rice, guys. I don't have time to be cooking no rice today. And here's the cilantro. I'll be washing and cleaning it. And then of course I got the can of black beans right here, purple onion, and then we've got some huge jalapenos in the refrigerator. We got our tomatoes because we've been on a salad kick all week, so we're gonna use what we have. We're gonna use the tomatoes up. We even have some, I think it's spinach in there, so I may even put a little spinach in here in the bowl with us so that we eat everything. Toward the end of the month, I try to eat everything I've bought throughout the month so that the next month we start off fresh. As a matter of fact, I got to clean my refrigerator this weekend, so y'all hang tight for that. And then too, I've been thinking about redoing CB's room, so I have a vision. I think I'm gonna create a mood board and do that. I'm actually looking for a beanbag. So they have them. I just need for them to be sturdy enough to hold your boy and for it not to take up most of his room because his room isn't that big. His bed, which is a queen size bed, takes up most of his room already. So we don't want to do that. But anyway, so far I've gotten the rug in. I ordered a rug from Ruggables so it can be thrown in the wash. And I did hang up his round, sort of like a bookcase. I think I'm going to move it. I think I'm going to move some things around in his room. But I want to order the bean bag first before I really go in and just start rearranging things and turning things around and making things look pretty and get his blinds. And then, y'all paint? I know I'm all over the place because I've been wanting to paint. Y'all, I was watching one of my I have a lot of YouTubers, established YouTubers that I watch, as well as small channels, but I forgot her name and the name of her channel, something flowers. But anyway, she went to the supermarket to paint her fence, and the 5-gallon paints used to be, not long ago, between $85 to $130, depending on the quality of paint that you bought. Child, she went to Home Depot. That 5-gallon of paint was $350, y'all. I was like, my eyes, I was like, are you freaking kidding me? Of course she left it. But then she thought about it, but I thought, no, don't buy it. I mean, anyway, I'm not gonna get on a rant here. I just think it's horrible how they're jacking up prices and overcharging people. I really think the government needs to step in and set some sort of guidance and perimeters to that. But anyway, that's my thought. Because if you keep doing that, nobody's going to be able to afford to buy anything. So guess what? The system's going to cave anyway. But anyway, let me get my dinner on and tend to Buster. I think he wants to do something, go outside or do something, and I'll be right back. Y'all look. Looks pretty good. Of course, we know shrimp doesn't take long to cook. So I'll be turning these things over and set them to a side, and then I'm going to get my blender out and make the pico. Not last. We got to squeeze a little. This is my old crazy hand, y'all, but I'm still trying to gain strength back. And yeah. Next. Well, it's not exactly like Patrice's and Keisha's bowls, but y'all, it's good. And it's unfortunate that the true color isn't coming through. This pico, I'm gonna taste it for y'all. Hold on just a second. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I'm getting ready to taste it. I know what the shrimp tastes like because I tasted those. Oh, it has a good flavor. But when I tell you, you don't need any more pepper in here. It's the pepper. They're giving what they're supposed to give, y'all. This is good. It doesn't need any salt. It doesn't need anything. Y'all, I like mixing my stuff together. I like all my flavors on certain foods marrying up together. So the black beans with the rice and the pico so far. That is good. So I'm going to cut up a shrimp. Whew. I'm going to give me something to drink. Oh. Let me see. It's giving, but you know what, to be honest, I could have chips, just the beans, the rice, and the salsa, and I'd be good. This is really good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I wanted pico, but that's okay. The salsa is fine. Giving what it's supposed to give. Y'all, I'm supposed to get back online tonight. The girl ain't feeling it. I'm tired. And whew, I think I'm gonna call it a night. That's the thing about working from home. You gotta learn to shut it off. You gotta learn to shut it off. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go take my shower. I'm gonna relax. A shower before you know it'll be time to go to bed. I go to bed, well, after CB gets out of the shower. Like I said, all the flavors are good, but if I just had the beans, the rice, and some chips, some corn chips, child, this is good. Very good. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fare you guys a farewell tonight. And your girl gonna, that pepper is peppering. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm going to try. That's right. I wanted to tell you guys I was going to try another flavor of the Olipop. I'm going to get the lemon lime Patrice. I think the best one that I've had so far is the cream soda. I had that yesterday and I drank it before I even knew it. I was like, this is the end of the can. So I'm going to try lemon lime. Grape is good. But that cream soda, Y'all, I met someone last week when I went to the party, the birthday party. I met someone who knew the guy who actually invented these. He invented these because his son was sick. And when he would take his kid out to different birthday parties and things, y'all, let me call you back. My sister's calling me. Hey, y'all. So I finished my dinner. I have to admit it was very good. But you know what? That little dish can be done without any kind of meat. Just chips and the salsa, the rice, and the black beans. That's good. So far, this has been my least favorite. It has some sort of aftertaste or something to it, but I don't like this one. So, yep. But I'm going to drink it because they're almost $3 a can. Anyway, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey, y'all. It is later in the day, and I am coming in actually just to show you a little bit of how I clean and organize my refrigerator. I'll try to link most of the stuff that I use, like the containers and all that stuff that I have. But if not, I'll just tell you. You know where I got it from, Amazon. So first and foremost is what I start with, non-toxic stuff. But I use Dawn Power Wash. I love this stuff, guys. This is the best. And then I have the micro fiber cleaning towels. These right here. These are a heaven sent. They really save you on paper towels. So let's get started. Guys, it's at the end of my project and I am done. I have just washed my cherries and put them in the containers, and I will show you what I have. These doggone stickers just won't leave you alone. But anyway, let me show you what I have. So I have these containers and I put like fresh fruits after I wash them. I put paper towels, and then there's a little, you can see this little grid thing right here. It helps keep everything dry. So like lettuce, all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you the refrigerator. It is bare bone. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned. The next video will be a monthly grocery haul from Sam's.